Hi everyone. In this short video, we're going to learn how to delete a Firebase project or how to delete an app inside that project. Let's get started. First, open your Firebase console. Next, click on the project you want to delete. On the project page, you will see the list of applications connected to this project. To manage that project, click on settings icon, select project settings. Here on this page, scroll down to the bottom of the page where you will find all the apps configured for this project. From here, you have two options. Either you can remove an app or you can delete just entire project. To delete the whole project, click on delete project button. A confirmation screen will appear. You will need to check the boxes to confirm that you understand the consequences of deleting the project. Once checked, click on delete project button, and here we can see our project has been successfully deleted. That's all for this video. Thank you.